Good morning, Jaguars. It's another great day to be a Jefferson Jaguar. Today is Monday, August the 23rd. It's time for our weekly announcements. Take a look at some of our newest Jaguars. These Jaguars, along with all of our kindergarten students, are ready to take the lead this year at Jefferson Elementary, and we are thrilled. Jaguars, this is a reminder, if you would like to participate in the school food program this week, you may stop by Lincoln, Sevier, Robinson, or Dobbins-Bennett between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Monday through Friday. You may call 423-392-4670 to set up a mobile route delivery option as well. Jefferson families, if you need some extra assistance with food, supplies, housing, or other items, please visit Mrs. Mann's classroom on Canvas, which looks like this. Click on the Parent Information box. This will take you to a page where you will find community resource contacts and phone numbers. You may also call Mrs. Mann directly at 423-378-2280 for assistance. Jaguars, remember all of us are working diligently to return to school. So let's continue to work hard and do our part by practicing the 3 W's. Wash your hands often, wait to create 6 feet of social distance between you and others when you are in public places, and wear a mask. Also continue to work on staying in control of you by practicing the 5 steps from our Jefferson I Can hand. This is a reminder to complete all of the necessary forms for the clinic and turn them in with your work that you return to your teacher. Teachers, please place those forms in Nurse Laura's mailbox as soon as you receive them. Guess what time it is? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now let's celebrate some birthdays together. Celebrating a birthday on August the 24th in 3rd grade is Henry C. On August the 25th is in kindergarten, it's Micaiah L. August the 26th in 5th grade is Camden C. In kindergarten, West H. and Dr. Potter, our school principal. Celebrating a birthday on August the 28th in 3rd grade is Xander A. and one of our instructional assistants, Mr. Jalen. Celebrating a birthday on August the 29th in 5th grade is Gabe N. And celebrating a birthday on August 30th in 5th grade is Adeline D. Enjoy celebrating your day. You know, there is no one just like you in all the world, so happy birthday. Now let's move on to our words of wisdom. Jaguars, some pretty special things have been happening around our building, and I want to share some of those with you today. First of all, take a look at some of the hands designed by our very own Jaguars. Look what has taken place in our gym. See the newly painted design on our gym wall. It sure is great to be a Jaguar. You know, our theme this year is These Hands Will Change the World. So today I want to highlight 2 Jefferson families who have taken the lead in using their hands and love in their hearts to make our world at Jefferson a better place. First is the My family. This weekend, the boys of the family were working on a scout project and they chose Jefferson as their place to serve. Well, their little sister is one of our newest Jaguars, and she too wanted to love on our school. So this weekend, this family of current Jaguars and former Jaguars used their hands to pull weeds and lay mulch in our courtyard. Don't you love how they took an idea, believed they could do it, and then used their hands to turn that idea into a gift for our school? Thank you, Matilda, Caleb, Ben, Nathan, Jacob, and Mama Ma for being the positive change in our world. Next is the Coe family. Abigail and Brianna Cole were playing on our playground with their little brother and noticed that it needed some sprucing up with some paint and fresh mulch. So they asked their mom if they could start a fundraiser to make this happen. So they began to brainstorm some ideas and were able to get some community support. But they also realized that they too could get involved, even as elementary students. So they had a yard sale, sold candy bars, and received a bonus donation from their dad, who agreed to be a human target by having lipstick put on him, a pie in his face, and being dunked with slime. Thank you, Cove family, for looking around the world that you live in and seeing a need for a change, and then taking the lead and doing something about it. Jaguars, these are two amazing examples of how each of us can do things to make our world a better place. It doesn't matter if we are in kindergarten or a senior in high school, we can make a positive difference in our world. So what will you choose to do this week? Maybe clean up your room without being asked? Make a card for someone who needs cheering up. Call a grandparent or a neighbor and sing them a song or tell them a great story. Choose kind words when speaking with others. There are so many things we can do. Take a look around and be the change in our world that you want to see. Jefferson is a place where leaders use their hands to change the world. Jaguars, now if you choose, you may join your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence. Go Jaguars!